Hello guys, welcome back for another video. So let's reset my car. Today we have a Honda Jazz 2008. Model year is 2008 till 2011. And in this short video I'm going to show you how I can get rid of this surface indicator over here. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Surface Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 600 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. First step is to turn the ignition on, then wait for the indicator to pop up. The surface indicator, this sign over here. Now we're going to use the right side of our steering wheel. Press it once, then you'll have the white surface indicator. Then we're going to use the cell select and the reset button over here. Press and hold it for about 15 seconds and you'll see that the display over here will change like this. Then we need to go to the top one, and you can select the top one by pressing this once, and to reset it, press this, press and hold this, and you'll see that the next surface is due to 19,950 kilometers. Do the check and you'll see that the indicator, the sign of the surface indicator won't pop up anymore, and the next surface is in 19,950 kilometers. That was it for this time. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with other videos. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.